Guys, thank you for clicking on my video and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a quick and easy hair mask with maybe ingredients that you already have at home. So before we get into the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you watch this whole video and you like it, please give it a thumbs up. I know that most of us are at home right now. We're going through a tough time due to this coronavirus stuff. I don't want to get too much into it just because I know that everyone hears about it all the time. So if you want to pamper yourself at home and do a little hair mask, I hope this is helpful for you guys. So I just want to say sorry for the background noise. If you guys hear barks, it's my neighbor's dog. Literally, they bark the whole day. So this is a very quick and easy hair mask that I did, and it left my hair so soft. So for this hair mask, you're going to need your favorite conditioner, any conditioner that you already have at home. It could be a deep conditioner, a regular conditioner that you use in the shower. So I've been using the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk, the 3-in-1 conditioner. If you guys haven't seen my review on Not Your Mother's Curl Talk, I will link it up so you guys could check it out and you guys can see my 2 cents on the line. I did a comparison on the gel and the mousse, but out of the whole line, my favorite products were the 3-in-1 conditioner and the styling gel. This leaves my hair extremely soft. Like, I think even if you don't have curly hair, I think give it a try. This is gonna leave your hair so soft. Thank me later for this one. And it's so cheap, that's even the best part. And you can leave this one as a leave-in, as a conditioner. I just use it as a conditioner for now, and then I leave it a little bit in when I rinse it. I've been using it since that review because that was the first time that I actually tried the line, and I completely fell in love with this conditioner. I'm telling you, if you guys want super soft curls, get on this one. You're gonna need olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. I do recommend it just because it's cold pressed, it's unrefined, therefore you're gonna get all the good benefits from olive oil. So I did my hair mask with extra virgin olive oil. If you don't have it at hand, I haven't tried it with just olive oil or virgin olive oil. I used it with extra virgin olive oil. If you guys don't have it and you guys don't want to go to the store and that's what you have, try it out, see how it works for you. But I've tried this hair mask with the extra virgin olive oil. And you're also gonna need honey. What honey is gonna do is gonna soften and smooth your hair because it's an emollient. That's what an emollient does. So yeah, so you're just gonna need 3 things, guys: your favorite conditioner, extra virgin olive oil, and honey. And what I did, I have a lot of hair. I have a lot of thick hair, so there's not a specific recipe for it. I just went off what I know the needs for my hair. I know that it needs a lot of moisture, and obviously it's very long, therefore I need a lot of conditioner. So and I used a tablespoon and a half for the extra virgin olive oil, and for the honey I just did a tablespoon. You're gonna want more olive oil than honey, okay? Don't go too crazy on the honey because then you're gonna get very sticky hair. So before I applied the hair mask, I wet my hair using my water bottle and I sprayed it all over my hair. You don't want your hair soaked, you want it kind of damp, not extremely damp. You just want to give it a little moisture right before. So after I mixed it and it was nice and whipped, I applied it all over my hair, just making sure I distribute it from root to end, massaging it with both my hands. That way it can help to really penetrate into my hair. And by the way, this hair mask smells so bomb. So I actually ended up leaving the cap on for 40 minutes. I recommend 30 minutes. If you guys could do more than that, that's fine too. I think don't go over an hour. I spoke about this one on my Amazon favorites. I'll link that one up there too if you guys are interested. I really love this gel cap. It's actually helped me a lot with my hair, especially right now that it's been really cold and I feel like my hair it's feeling a little dry. So if you guys don't have one, that's fine. I guess you can just wrap your hair up and just put a bag over your hair. Use your blow dryer to give yourself some heat, because with the heat, what it's gonna do, it's gonna open your cuticles and it's gonna let all that get inside and make your hair really soft. And when I washed my hair was so soft. Like, it was so slippery and soft. It was bomb slippery. Now my hair is completely soft. I styled it after I got out of the shower. I just washed it with my clarifying shampoo. I'll show you guys the one that I used. I didn't use a lot of shampoo, just enough to give me a lather and just wash off the honey out of my hair so it wasn't sticky. And I will link all the products that I used in my hair today to style it for this video on the description box below. I really like this hair mask. It's really easy and it's very, I mean, if you're home, try it out. Pamper yourself. This hair mask is for all hair types. You can use it too on straight hair, wavy hair, any type of hair. You can use a hair mask. We all need a little love, a little hydration in our hair, regardless of what type it is. And you guys could do this one for moisture. I actually been doing it once a week, just because, like I said, it's been colder here in LA, so I felt like my hair was getting a little dry and my ends needed a little more love. So this hair mask helped a lot. Actually, my curls are so soft. Like, I wish you guys can feel them, and they're pretty bouncy. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button just so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you watch this whole video and you like it and it's helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And I just want to say thank you for everyone that has subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for all the love and your comments. I really appreciate that. So yeah, obviously I'm not going out, but my curls are bomb, so I'll just go watch Netflix now. No, actually I'm gonna edit this video so I can put it up as soon as possible for you guys. So thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you're back to see my next video. Bye.